Okay, so we're going to start with our mathematics class. Okay, so our subject is mathematics. So we're going to continue with our topics. Okay, so last meeting, we have learned about comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, so for today, we're going to move on with a new topic. But first, let's start with our vocabularies. Okay, so let's start with our vocabularies for today. So please follow after teacher. Okay, follow after teacher. Okay, so let's start with vocabulary number 1. We have the word next. Next.
Next.
Very good. Okay, very good. Number 2, we have the word pattern. Pattern. Okay, number 3, we have the word rule. Rule. Number 4, we have the word missing. Missing. Very good. Number 5, we have the word check. Check. Number 6, we have the word subtract. Subtract. Okay, and number 7, we have the word add. Add. Okay, very good. Okay, so these are our vocabularies for today. We have the word next, pattern, rule, missing, check, subtract, and add. Okay, so these words, we're going to encounter this one as we go on with our discussions. Okay, so our topic for today is about number patterns. Okay, so this is our new topic. It is about number patterns. So we will start with this discussion on your book on page 29 of your book. Okay, so on page 29 of your book, you will see this one. So we have number patterns within 1,000. Okay, so we will be learning about the patterns of numbers. Okay, so we have number 1 here. What is the next number in the pattern? So we're going to guess what would be the next number in this pattern. So we have here 130 on the disc, 135, 140, 145, and 150, and we have a question mark. So it is asking for the next number to 150. Okay, so the rule here is we have add 5 to get the next number. So we have here 130 plus 5 is equal to 135. So the rule is adding 5. Okay, so we're going to add 5.
135.
Yes, very good. So it's 135. And then the next is 135 plus 5 is equal to 140. Okay, 135 plus 5 is 140. And next pattern is we have 140 plus 5 is equal to 145. Very good. Okay, and the next pattern we have 145 plus 5 is equal to 150. Okay, so this is... Okay, so
155.
Very good. So the missing number here is 155. Why? Because 150 plus 5 is equal to 155. So the rule here, we have add 5 to get the next number. We're going to add 5, okay? Plus 5. So we have 150 plus 5 is equal to 155. So the next number in the pattern is 155. Okay? So let's move on to the next number. We have number 2. What is the missing number? Okay, so we have here 450 plus 100 is equal to 550. Okay, 5. Then the next pattern we have 550 plus 100 is equal to 650. Okay, 650 plus 100 is equal to 750. Okay, so the missing number here is 850. Why? Because if we add 100 to 750, it is equal to 850. And 850 plus 100 is equal to 950. So we have the rule. The rule is add 100 to get the missing number. So we have to add 100 to each number to get the missing number. So the missing number in this pattern is 850. Okay, so let's try to do this one on number 3. Okay, so we're going to answer. So we have here, what is the missing number? So let's start with letter A. Okay, so in letter A, the rule is subtract 100 to get the missing number. So when it says subtract, we're going to minus. Okay? So this one, the rule is subtract 100 to get the missing number. So let's try to subtract 860 to 100. Okay, so let's subtract 860 minus 100 is equal to 760. So the missing number in this pattern is 760. Okay. Next, in letter B, we have the rule is subtract 2 to get the missing number. So we're going to less 2 on the number patterns to get the missing number. So we have here 825, 823, 821, and 819. So let's subtract 819 minus 2 equals to 817. So letter B, the missing number in the pattern is 817. And the rule is subtract 2 to get the missing number. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part of our discussion, which is in page 30 of your book. So in page 30 of your book, we have here discussion about increasing number patterns. Okay, so when we say increasing, it is you're going to add. Okay, so we have here the number 1. What number patterns do you see? Okay, so what number pattern do you see? We have letter A. The rule is add 15 to get the next number. So the rule here in letter A is we're going to add 15 to get the next number. So when it say add 15, we have here 2,500 plus 15 is equal to 2,515. And the next one, we have 215 plus 15 is equal to 2,530. And 2,530 plus 15 is equal to 2,545. So what is the missing number? So let's add 15 to 2,545. So 2,545 plus 15 is equal to 2,560. So the missing number in the pattern is 2,560. So how to check if your answer is correct? We're going to subtract 2,560 minus 2,545. It is equal to 15. Okay, so let's proceed to the next letter B. Okay, so the rule in this pattern, we have add 250 to get the next number. So in this pattern, we're going to add 250 on the numbers. So we start with 4,123 plus 250 is equal to 4,373. Okay, and then next we have 4,373 plus 250 is equal to 4,623. Okay, 4,623 plus 250 is equal to 4,873. Okay, so what is the missing number in this pattern? So we're going to add 250 to 4,873. So 4,873 plus 250 is equal to 5,123. So the missing number here is 5,123. So that is the missing number. We have 5,123. Okay, and then 5,123 plus 250, it is equal to 5,373. Okay, so that is the missing number in this pattern, 5,123. And the rule is you're going to add 250 to get the next number. Okay, so next, let's proceed to the next pattern, which is decreasing number patterns. When it says decreasing, we're going to subtract or minus. Okay, so we have here in number 2, what are the missing numbers in the number patterns? So what are the missing numbers in the number patterns? We have here in letter A, the numbers decrease in steps of 108. So in letter A, it says that the rule is we're going to subtract 108 to the numbers. So we have 6,125 minus 108 is equal to 6,017. And next we have 6,017 minus 108 is equal to 5,909. And 5,909 minus 108 is equal to 5,801. And the next 5,801 minus 100 is equal to 5,693. Okay, so 5,693 minus 108 is equal to 5,585. So the missing number in this pattern is 5,585. Okay, so 5,693 minus 108 is equal to 5,585 is the missing number. So the rule is subtract 108 to get the missing number. Okay, so very good. Let's proceed to the next one, which is in letter B. Okay, on letter B, the numbers decrease in steps of 1,000. So the rule here is we're going to subtract. We're going to minus 1,000 to get the missing number. So we have 9,328 minus 1,000 is equal to 8,328. 8,328 minus 1,000 is equal to 7,328. 7,328 minus 1,000 is equal to 6,328. Okay, so what is the next number in this pattern? What would be the missing number if we subtract 6,328 to 1,000? It will be 5,328. Okay, so 5,328 minus 1,000 is equal to 4,328. So the missing number in the pattern is 5,328. Okay, so the rule is subtract 1,000 to get the missing number. So when we say subtract, we minus. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. So we have letter C. The numbers decrease in steps of 382. Okay, so we're going to subtract 382 from the numbers. Okay, so we have 42,468 minus 382 is 42,086. 42,086 minus 382 is equal to 41,704. 41,704 minus 382 is equal to 41,322. 41,322 minus 382 is equal to 40,940. 40,940 less or minus 382 is equal to 40,558. Okay, so that is the missing number in the pattern. So let's try to do this one. So what are the missing numbers here? So let's start with 37,123 minus 1,900 is equal to 35,223. And 35,223 minus 1,900 is equal to 33,323. 33,000 minus 33,323 minus 1,900 is equal to 31,423. Okay, so 31,423 423 minus 1,900 is equal to 29,523. So the missing number here is 29,523. So that is the missing number. Okay. 29,000 minus 1,900 is equal to 27,623. So the missing number here is 27,623. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to our activity. So let's do this one together. Okay, so we have here the question, what are the missing numbers? So it is asking for the missing number. So for letter A, the rule is you're going to add 58 to get the missing number. So when we're going to add 58, okay, so we have here the number patterns, 40,004, 40,062, 40,120, and 40,178. So what is the pattern in these numbers? So we have the rule in letter A, we have add 58 to get the missing number. So we're going to add 58 to 40,178. So 40,178 plus 58 is equal to 40,236. Okay. So if we add 58 to 40,178, it is equal to 40,236. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. Okay, so on letter B, we have the rule, subtract 3,000 to get the missing numbers. So when we say subtract, we're going to minus 3,000 to each number. So 75,280 minus 3,000 is equal to 72,280. Okay, 72,280 minus 3,000 is equal to 69,280. 69,280 minus 3,000 is equal to 66,280. So let's subtract 3,000 to 66,280. It is equal to 63,280. Okay, so and we subtract 63,280 minus 3,000 is equal to 60,280. So that is for letter B. The rule is to subtract 3,000. Okay, so for letter C, we have the rule, subtract 610 to get the missing number. So we're going to subtract 610 to this number pattern. So we get 82,444 minus 610 is equal to 81,834. 81,834 minus 610 is equal to 81,224. 81,224 minus 610 is equal to 80,614. And 80,614 minus 610 is equal to 80,004. Okay, so are you finished here?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next activity. Okay, so let's proceed to our next activity, which is in Do and Learn on page 32 of your book. Okay, so on page 32 of your book, we have this activity. Okay, so on exercise number 1, we have the question, what is the rule to find the missing numbers? What are the missing numbers? So it is asking for the rule on how to find the missing numbers. So in letter A, the rule here is subtract 32 to get the missing numbers. So we're going to subtract or minus. So we have the number patterns starting from 2,120, 2,088, and 2,056, and 2,024. So we have here the pattern is to subtract 32. So let's subtract 32 to 2024. 2024 minus 32 is equal to 1,992. So the answer here, or the missing number, is 1,992. Okay, so for letter B, we have the numbers 4,758, 4,216, and 3,674, blank, 2,590, and 2,048. So what is the rule to find the missing number? The rule is we have to subtract 542 to get the missing number. So we're going to minus 542 to 3,674. So we have 3,674 minus 542 is equal to 3,132. Okay, so 3,132 is the missing number in letter B. Okay, so let's proceed to exercise number 2. So we have here, write down the rule and missing number for each number pattern. So we're going to write the rule of how did we find the missing number in this pattern. So we have letter A. The numbers are 5,908, 7,908, 9,908, 11,908, blank, 15,908. So we have the rule here is to add 2,000 to get the missing number. So we're going to add 2,000 in each numbers to get the missing number. So we're going to add 2,000 to 11,908, and it is equal to 13,908. So 11,908 plus 2,000 is equal to 13,908. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B. Okay, so the rule here is to add 169 to get the missing number. So 2,718 plus 169 is equal to 2,887. And the next pattern, we have 2,887 plus 169 is equal to 3,056. 3,056 plus 109 is equal to 3,225. 3,225 plus 169 is equal to 3,394. 3,394 plus 169 is equal to 3,563. And 3,563 plus 69 is equal to 3,732. So the rule here is to add 169 to get the missing number. Okay, so for today, we will end here. And on Friday, we're going to continue with our activity, okay? Okay, thank you everyone for joining teacher today. See you on Friday. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.